Gonna give it a try. Just went ahead and sped this part up here a little bit just to get you a bit more visual in the same amount of time. Seemed to work okay. You can see the traction's still a bit of an issue. Need those bigger chains for sure. But did the whole, well, this section of the driveway anyways, which is probably about half of the driveway. Time on this video said 7 minutes, so it took me 7 minutes, I guess, to do most of it. There wasn't very much snow, really, just like an inch or two here and there, but it was good for a test. I think it'd have a little hard time doing much more than that right now with no traction. You see here, it just gets like completely stuck. I'm gonna go give it a bit of a hand. But all in all, I mean, it did pretty well. And this is like just a little bit of pressure, you know, 50 pounds or so in that back, and it just takes right off. So doesn't need a whole lot more weight, but it needs some for sure. This is sped up 2 times, just in case you guys are wondering how fast it was actually driving. I left the beginning and the ends of this at at the main recording speed 1 times. And it doesn't drive fast by any means. It'd be nice if it was a little faster, but it's okay. Gearing I chose, it's got tons of power. There's regular speed right there. Just doing a little back dragging here. Get up close to the garage. It was so cold out there that my phone, which is what I recorded all this with, doing all the editing and everything from my iPhone, it was so cold that my phone shut off completely. Just powered right down. Just right after I turned the camera doing some of this back dragging, it shut right off. Not too big of a deal though, because, you know, we'll see everything we need to see. Plow lift worked great, up and down just as expected, and it's the amount of time it takes to lift and lower is fine. Didn't want it to be any quicker or slower. But all in all, worked pretty good.